Hi student, in this video we talk about how to cut, edit, delete and trim a video clip in Filmora 11. So open your Filmora and then click on create new project, right? From here you import your media file. So I import this media file and this media file right now and click on open it. So the file will be imported, and to drag and drop here in timeline, so you click on it and from here you select it, click on the plus icon to edit in the timeline, right? From here you or project setting is 1920 multiplied by 1080 and the media file project setting is 1280 and 720 as by YouTube, so I keep it, right? And from here I edit this file also, right? No, it is or means circle, right? It is cursor for cut, delete and for trim, right? So if you want to delete this media part from here, so you click on double it, right? So I have one trim, right? If I want to trim it again, so select your time and from here you click on double it, so it had two time trim, right? 1, 2 and 3, right? And if you cut to this pic, right, so select the area and click on it and your pic will be trimmed. And if you want to again trim it, so double click on it, this scissor, or control B, click on it. You also trim it from here, click on this time area and select your clip timing and enter it and click on it. And after that, for example, I select a time, it is time is 18 seconds, right? So I want to trim it, select my time and then click on this trim area, the scissor, right, control B, so it also the trim. If you want to delete a part it from here, right, so select the part and click this button, so it will be deleted, right? Click on it, select it and then right click and from here you also delete it. From here you copy it, cut it. So from here first I copy it and then I want to paste here between these two tags, right? So paste it and it will be pasted. So first come is the pic and second is the video clip, right? No, again it from here. If you want to paste in the last, so right click and then press the paste button, the clip will be pasted, right? And from here you click on it and move it, and from here you also delete the free space, so select the free space and right click on it and from here you delete it. Also you delete it from here, right? So I delete it. So from here you can delete it and from here you also trim it. From here you click on it and it will be trimmed, right? And from here you delete it and from here you also is undo, right? And from here you can redo, right? So from this option you also cut a video or also cut a pic from your specific part or your unwanted part. If you want to be remove the unwanted part, so trim your pic or your audio and remove your unwanted part, and the remaining part of your video will be added in your project. So it is a short video about how to delete, edit and cut or trim a video in Filmora 11. It is very easy, so be practice it, and thank you watching for this video.